What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Obviously, we have some incredible and some great news to go over in today's episode. If you've been watching the channel for the past couple of days, you'd know that we've been tracking some incredibly large and pretty solid technical indicators that were all leading towards a bullish breakout. And honestly, as you guys can clearly tell, we have actually started to do so for a lot of the major cryptocurrencies. Now, there are some that have yet to break out yet, which is good news because we'll still be able to get in on those. But for things like XRP, we've been exploding to the upside at an incredibly fast rate. We've been slowly moving that stop loss higher, locking in profits. We've been able to make a ton, and I mean a ton of money conservatively capitalizing off this massive breakout that we had on XRP. Then move forward to Ethereum, another massive explosion on Ethereum here, which we've been also able to capitalize off of, longing to the upside here. You can see from the breakout, we're up 6%, major runs to the upside here. We're locking in profit, making tons of profit off of these. And for those that maybe missed out on the Ethereum and XRP one, Bitcoin has yet to break out, and we need to tweak the charts ever so slightly to incorporate what exactly is happening right now. And then we should be able to reveal another opportunity for a breakout or breakdown within Bitcoin that we'll be able to capitalize on. And lastly, the S&P 500 has been breaking out too, or maybe not breaking out, but we've definitely been on a very nice uptrend the past week here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row, just a constant run to the upside here, which is incredible. And it's also something that we took. It was so obvious. We took the previous bull flag right here and we literally grabbed it like this, and then we just dragged it on top of what we're dealing with now, and you can clearly see that's exactly what's happening here, which is why I've overlaid a bars pattern to show you exactly what's happening here. So the fact that we're seeing this movement is by no means a surprise. So ideally, the next step would be something like this, and then a breakout. So very excited to see what's to come within crypto. But at the moment right now, it is still not too late to capitalize off the major bull run explosions within most of these cryptocurrencies here. It is not too late at all to take advantage of them here, as we have been updating you guys day in and day out. As you guys know, we make tons of profit on the way up. We make tons of profit on the way down. We do not make anything if we're stagnant. And as you can see, there is volume pumping into cryptocurrency. So with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn up those notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, BitFi, which is my favorite cryptocurrency exchange, is offering a way for you to earn up to $200 in free rewards for signing up with the link down in the description below. As you guys can see, sign up and do KYC, as well as activate the futures bonus for a chance to get, or not even a chance, literally you will get a $50 coupon and $150 in bonus rewards, literally by just signing up to BitFi down in the description below. So make sure to check that out. Also, if you've already signed up to BitFi, I'll show you how you can make even more cryptocurrency in a minute. But as you guys can see in yesterday's video, or sorry, I didn't make a video yesterday, I was a bit busy, but the day before on Saturday, we were talking about the fact that we're going to be seeing a pretty solid explosion within most of the major cryptocurrencies, and that we were starting to see a bull trap, which is typically what comes right before a bigger run, which we've seen quite a few times on crypto. So as you guys can see, we were tracking a beautiful symmetrical triangle about 5 days ago here. We had a breakout right here on the 4-hour, which ended up being a bull trap. Still were able to capitalize off the bull trap though. And even if you didn't and you lost money, I've been saying and warning you guys that just because we had a bull trap doesn't mean we're not actually breaking bullish. As you can see, do not be fooled. Major bull trap is over, but we're still going to be breaking out. And as you can see, massive breakout is about to happen. Literally drew it right here, and look at what happened. I mean, to a T. That's what happened. We broke out. As you can clearly tell right here, I'm going to put it right side by side with each other. Here is the beautiful XRP, Ethereum, price ceiling with the uptrend here, and here we are with the breakout. So it's very simple. It's very easy. There was one on Bitcoin. We didn't break out just yet, but the same thing was said with Ethereum here, and here we are actually breaking to the upside. So this is super exciting and good news for cryptocurrency. A quick refresh reveals we're at 1.33 trillion at 73 on the Fear and Greed Index, but XRP is up 26% for the week, 11.45%. Are we going to No, we're very far away from overtaking Tether, but we're trading in the number 4 spot. Volume is coming right back into XRP here. As you can see, Bitcoin's up 1.9, Ethereum's up 5.5, Solana's up 16, Cardano's up 18. Lots of these cryptocurrencies are having an extremely bullish week, and a lot of volume is moving into these cryptos. As you can see, we're still continuing to pump on XRP. This was an incredibly easy, very obvious breakout opportunity that I've been warning you guys about for days, literally days, ever since this was like November, what is this, November 5th? What was that, yesterday? No way was it that early ago. That'd be so funny. No, it was like 2 days ago. So maybe the 4th. I warned you guys about it on the 4th. So 2 days ago on Saturday, we were talking about the fact that we're starting to see an ascending fractal here. Higher lows, started to hit major resistance, major ceiling on the top, and then we were able to confirm the breakout right here. Once we confirmed that opening right here, that was the opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. And ever since then, we've been exploding. But guess what? What's even funnier is we've actually been buying into XRP ever since the original symmetrical triangle. So the actual breakout that we've been capitalizing on is up a total, what is it? 30% here, and it was extremely easy to do so. Well, how was that? Well, if we zoom in even closer, you can see, and we can keep going back week after week because we've called this consistently here. Ever since we broke out of this beautiful ascending fractal here, we double bottomed. We had a rising wedge. We double bottomed right here. Well, once we saw this double bottom, that was the opportunity to buy in, and we've been holding on ever since, capitalizing off this run. Then we had another major opportunity here to enter the market. Here we had a beautiful symmetrical triangle. Once we saw the confirmation closure right here, it was on the second day, or 55 cents. That was the opportunity to buy in. And since then, we've been on a major landslide monster bull run ever since. Massive swings to the upside here. We're continuing to move up. Now, obviously, what goes up must come down. And now we're freaking at 85, 86 on the relative strength indicator, which is another signal of potential correction, which I'd likely think is going to happen fairly soon. But in the interim here, you can still capitalize on these runs. And obviously, with us pumping to the upside here, we can get in and move that stop loss up, day after day after day. And then eventually, when we start to peak, which might be soon, we're going to start to correct, probably down a moving average here. And when that happens, we'll be able to short XRP all the way down to here very easily. Now, this is the 4 hour. Check it out when I jump to like the weekly here. Or sorry, the daily is actually a better opportunity. You can see what we've also been talking about was the consistent bull flag formations here on XRP. Here's number 1, here's number 2, here's number 3, and here's the 4th confirmation. As you guys can see, we had a flag pull. Here's the flag itself, breakout. Here's number 2, flag pull, flag itself, breakout. Here's number 3, flag pull, flag itself, breakout. Here's number 4, flag pull, flag itself, breakout. So it has been a consistent, obvious, extremely easy technical indicator, and everything was pointing towards breakout opportunities. Now we're about to break through the moving average, which is a golden cross opportunity. We're exploding to the upside. Once again, we are overbought, and typically when we become overbought, we typically slide lower. But I would not be surprised if we form a falling wedge pattern. So maybe we come up this high. What we're going to start to see is from this point here, we have the flag pull. Now we'll probably see something along the lines of this. However low we go, I don't know. And this will enter another breakout opportunity to go even higher. So keep this in mind as another bull flag formation is probably on its way as we're completing right now the flag pull itself. It'll be very simple to short this, and we'll know when that time comes. So, but just keep your stop loss very tight for the time being here. Now, obviously, we've been doing all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Literally everything you can possibly think of is offered on BidFi, which is absolutely incredible. Even better, if you click right here, you can get the new bonus opportunity that I was telling you guys about for a chance to earn up to $2,888 completely free by completing these tasks. So make sure to check it out. Link down in the description below to earn up to almost $3,000, which is crazy here with those opportunities that they offer, even for those that are already signed up, which is really cool. Now, moving forward, Ethereum, you can see this was another very simple and easy breakout opportunity. We saw a beautiful symmetrical triangle filling in the gap. We had a bull trap right here, but we immediately fell back into moving average. We said, it's not over just yet. do not be fooled. And as you can see, we had the confirmation closure yet again, and this was another opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. Now, for those that are wondering, maybe you missed out on both of those opportunities. It's time to look at Bitcoin here. And I think we'll be able to find some sort of trend here. I don't know how we want to draw it. We could draw it something like that. Like, I want to include the bottoms as much as I can, but we also have to consider the fact that it might not be that way. And I don't think it's going to look like that either. I think it's going to be something like this. You can see here, maybe even a price ceiling. It's definitely tough. We've definitely broken through this. We've broken through that. It's like I want to draw a top. I really do. I really want to draw a top resistance. I don't even think it matters at that point. Maybe we'll do something like this. But you can see we are forming a massive ascending fractal here. This could end bullish or bearish. I have no idea. The way the markets are trending, there'd be a good chance to see a run to the upside. But I think, based off prior history, typically this sees correction. It is possible. Anyways, it doesn't matter. If we can break through bottom support, that'll be that opportunity to short. If we break through the top resistance right here, that'll be that opportunity to buy in and long. So it's really hit or miss at this point, but keep your eyes peeled on the markets because that opportunity will prevail itself very, very, very soon. Now, and lastly, to wrap up today's video, the S&P, once we open up, I think we're going to be moving up and up and up. I think we're going to probably hit this, and then we're going to start to, correct, and then we'll see that breakout through the ascending bull flag here, and then it's going to be smooth sailing to the upside here. So I'm excited. Everything is looking incredibly well. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.